Very warm good evening. Today's topic of discussion is preparation of jelly, which is very important component in fruit preservation. Jelly is a semi-solid product prepared by boiling clear pectin-containing fruit extract with sugar and acid. The fruit extract must be free from pulp. As per FPO specification, a good jelly should have 65% TSS, 0.5 to 0.75% acid, and pH 3.2. These are some characteristics of good jelly. The qualities of good jelly. A good jelly should be well set, transparent, retain original flavor of fruit from which it was made. It should be firm enough to retain the sharp edge but tender enough to cover when pressed. It should not be dull, rubbery, sticky, gummy, syrupy, or have crystallized sugar. There are several fruits by which we can prepare jelly. The fruits rich in pectin are very much suitable. However, fruits lacking in pectin can be supplemented with artificial pectin. Suitable fruits are guava, karonda, sour apple, plum, wood apple, papaya, locust, etc. Fruits lacking in pectin can be supplemented with pectin powder outside during preparation of jelly. A jelly from apricot, pineapple, strawberry, raspberry, etc. can only be made after addition of pectin powder artificial pectin powder. Now we can see the flow chart of the processing step of jelly. For processing of the jelly, we have to purchase firm ripe fruits from the market, wash it, cut into thin slices, boil it in water for half an hour, and the water should be 1.5 times more than the fruit material. Now add the citric acid during boiling, 0.2 to 3%. Straining of the extract, and now we have to test the pectin for addition of sugar. Here it is worth to mention that requirement of sugar is based on the pectin content. Now based on the pectin content, we have to add the sugar, boil it. Now judge the end point for its readiness. If it is attained the 65% TSS, now jelly should be considered ready. It can also be judged by seed test, drop test, or temperature test. During boiling, we have to remove the scum to make the good and transparent jelly. After removal of the scum, addition of color and remaining citric acid will be added. After addition of the color and citric acid, jelly should be filled hot into a slide bottle. After filling, waxing should be done. After waxing, capping should be done. And after waxing and capping, the bottle should be stored at ambient temperature in the storage. Here is a recipe meant for preparation of jelly for 1 liter fruit extract. We can take the several fruits as told earlier. Suitable fruits are guava, sour apple, karonda, jamun, wood apple, etc. Based on the pectin content, the requirement of sugar is increased or decreased. Now we must discuss the determination of pectin content. Pectin is present in the form of calcium pectate, which is responsible for firmness of fruits. Pectin is most important constituent of jelly. It is commercial term for water-soluble pectinic acid, which under suitable condition form gel with sugar and acid. In immature or underripe fruits, the pectic substances is a water-insoluble protopectin, which is converted into pectin by the enzyme protopectinase during ripening of fruit. In overripe fruits, due to presence of pectic methyl esterase enzyme, the pectin gets largely converted to pectic acid, which is water insoluble. This is one of the reasons that both immature and overripe fruits are not suitable for the preparation of jelly. Usually about 0.5 to 1% pectin in fruit extract is sufficient to produce a good jelly. For the determination of pectin, we have to go either for alcohol test or gel meter test. Now, alcohol test. 1 teaspoonful cooled extract is taken in a beaker. About 3 spoonful methyl alcohol is poured gently alongside wall of the beaker. The mixture is stirred and allowed to stand, and following observation should be taken. If single transparent clump forms, then extract is rich in pectin. Means once the single transparent clump is formed, then solution should be considered rich in pectin. If the fruit is rich in pectin, an equal amount of sugar is to be added. If the clump is less firm and slightly fragmented, then extract is moderately rich in pectin, and in this case 3/4 amount of sugar is to be added. If several small clots are formed, then extract is considered poor in pectin content. In such situation, only half of amount of sugar is to be added. Now, gel test. Gel meter test. Gel meter is a small equipment through which we can judge the pectin content of an extract. The extract is poured to the brim of gel meter while closing the bottom with little finger. After filling, the little finger is removed and allows flow the extract for 1 minute. At the end of 1 minute, the bottom end is again closed with the help of little finger, and a reading is noted. This reading indicates that how many parts of sugar are to be added to one part of the extract. Now, judging the end point. As usual, as in case of this gel, we can also judge the end point in jelly as well. End point can be judged either by sheet or flake test, drop test, or temperature test. In case of sheet test or flake test, a small portion of extract is taken out during boiling in a spoon or wooden ladle and cooled slightly. It is then allowed to drop. If the product falls off in a form of sheet or flake or clump instead of flowing in a continuous stream or syrup, then product is considered ready. Otherwise, boiling is continued till flake test is confirmed ahead. Now, drop test. A drop of concentrated mass is poured into glass containing fresh water. Settling down the drop without disintegration indicates into point. In case of temperature test, a solution containing 65% TSS boils at 105 degrees Celsius. Heating of jelly to the temperature would automatically bring the concentration of solid to 65%. There are some problems encountered while and after jelly making. There are these are mentioned here. These problems are failure to set, beeping jelly, cloudy or foggy jelly. In case of failure to set, it may be due to this failure to set may be due to the addition of more sugar than the prescribed amount or lack of citric acid, cooking below the end point, etc. By taking care of these factors, the problem can be countered. Now, beeping jelly. In case of beeping jelly, exudation of liquid from jelly is known as synersis or beeping jelly. It may be due to low concentration of sugar, lack of pectin, excess use of acid, fermentation and low pectin content. Cloudy or foggy jelly is another problem. In this case, jelly is not fully transparent and looks cloudy. It may be due to usage of unripe fruits or non-clarified extract, overcooking and faulty pouring of bottle, etc. So these are the content you must know about the preparation of jelly. Thank you very much.